Good evening, committee chair and committee members. My name is Jan Hauser. I am the wastewater division manager. I'm here tonight to present for your consideration a new agreement with Black Point for stormwater catch basin cleaning. Specifically, the recommendation is that the Public Works and Transportation Committee recommend that the City Council approve and authorize the mayor to execute an agreement with Black Point Group Construction and Management, Inc., Black Point, for an initial term of 1 year from March 5th, 2025 to March 4th, 2026, with the option for 4 consecutive 1-year period extensions ending March 4th, 2030, for a total contract amount not to exceed $1,750,000 for catch basin cleaning services. Okay, a little background. The city of Oxnard operates under what's called a municipal separate storm sewer system permit that's issued by the state. It's otherwise known as the MS4 permit. So in the permit, it requires us to reduce or really eliminate any trash or debris from the stormwater system, and that trash be properly disposed of. So we own approximately 2,435 catch basins in our system, of which currently 450 have what's called full capture devices, or devices that keep the trash out of the storm sewer system. We're currently in the middle of a installation project to install 450 additional full capture devices, which is planned to be completed by the end of February of this year. So the purchasing department released a request for proposal for the catch basin cleaning services on November 12th, 2024. Proposals were due December 19th, 2024. We received a total of 3 proposals from Black Point, Downstream, and United Stormwater. Proposals were reviewed by the wastewater collections manager, senior administrative services analyst, and a senior environmental specialist. So the proposals were reviewed based on scoring criteria of the following items, including responsiveness, qualifications, experience, history, and record of performance. And finally, cost was considered. So Black Point was determined to be the best value and the lowest and most responsive cost proposal. So they were the lowest cost. Okay, under the agreement, Black Point will inspect and clean catch basins. They'll remove any trash and debris that's captured in the catch basin. And they will also install storm drain placards on the outside of the catch basin if they have been damaged or removed in any way. So all of our catch basins have these placards that basically say, don't dump trash in here, don't dump anything in here because it drains to the ocean. You can see on the left a picture of before and after of a catch basin that was cleaned. And that is also a trash capture device you see in there. So all of that work will be documented using our GIS system. And the plan is to inspect and clean every catch basin in the city twice a year. So the financial impact, the total cost of the agreement shall not exceed $1,750,000 over a 5-year period. The costs for these services are included in the existing budget for stormwater quality and will be included in future budgets. That concludes my presentation. I'd be happy to answer any questions. Thank you.